Hey, so I just got an order in from Poochiez Nails, also known as the Nail Art Boutique, and let me tell you, she came through for real. She never fails me. So, what I ordered was her mystery bag. As soon as I got the email about it, I knew right away I needed to jump on it because the last time she did something like this, it went by fast. And this time was no different. They were gone in almost a blink of an eye. So, literally, as soon as I saw that email, within 5 minutes, I already had my order confirmation. So her mystery bag is $45 and she said it's a value of $130. But I feel like it's a lot more than that. I feel like what I just received is more. So I already started to open it, so we can just jump right into this. And yeah, let's get started. So first off, we have her bling gel. Everybody that's been following me for a while, you already know this is everything to me. When it comes to applying small stones or large charms, they will never fall off with this, ever. So what I do is I do a thin layer of the bling gel, and then I take her Super Shine top coat, put a bead of that over, put whatever stones, charms I want to use, cure it. It doesn't come off until you want it to come off. So I was very excited when I saw this, to say the least. So I got this. And then she also included her matte no wipe gel top coat. This is some special stuff right here. I told you before, she's never failed me. I have not had one single thing from her that I did not like. I love everything. This matte, chef's kiss. Amazing stuff right here. And it just kept getting better. Forgive me for this. I don't know what. I just finished doing a set and it's just stuff everywhere. So I also got her black gel paint and her white gel paint. I don't have the black yet. So this is my first time with her black. But I do have her white gel paint already. And again, chef's kisses. This is some beautiful stuff. It goes on like butter. It's so beautiful. Then we got some 150 sanding bands, a mandrel bit, and we have two more bits in here. We have a safety drill bit. I like this. Oh, this feels good. I don't see, and that's the other thing. I always wanted to try her, any of her drill bits, and I haven't been able to. So I'm really excited to give these a try. So it feels like we have a medium and a fine. And we have a barrel and a safety. Oh man, I cannot wait. So I just finished doing my nails and I really don't want to take them off yet, but I might have to make a practice nail to play with these. These feel great. So let's see. We have a smooth top and medium and a PN bit. We have some cute nail stickers. Perfect for the season. There's sweater nails on both of them. Yep, for both of them. And these feel really nice. These are the embossed ones, and these feel like through the plastic. These feel like they're really good quality. And we have some cute heart-shaped charms here. Oh, those are cute. Oh, I love these. And they're not too big either. So these would be really good for, on your nails, but also, just excuse that, I haven't cleaned it up. But these would be good on your nails, but also if you do maybe one or two, maybe for aquarium nails. Oh, so pretty. And then we have one of her little pouches. I like her pouches. The packaging is really nice. Ooh, do y'all know? I actually was on her website last night and I said, you know, I'm not going to buy anything because I don't know what's going to come in my mystery bag. I was about to actually buy these last night. I am excited. Look at those. How beautiful those are. Oh my gosh. Those are beautiful. Hi, Miss Poochie. I see you. I see you. I'm going to have fun with these. Oh my gosh. Just scenting. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh, that's a little bear. What is that? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I just had so much inspiration shoot through me just now. Oh, this is cute. So she had, let me zoom out a little bit. So she has these little cards for a full set. It's a Poochiez Nails measuring chart. Cards, and then you put the price down based on the length here. So we have a full set, and then we have a fill-in. So how much you would charge for the full set, and how much you would charge for the fill-in. And then there's two of those, the same card. There's two of those, and then she included this cute little keychain and Poochiez Nails, and it's a measuring tape. Isn't that cute? And you know, this would be good for, like, how she has on here, you know, to measure the length of the nail, but also, if you're like me and a few other nail friends that I have, where you custom design press-ons, you can also use something, a measuring tape this thin, and see how delicate it is? You can use this to help measure for, you know, see how easy that bends? Oh, you don't want to bend it in half, obviously, but you see how pliable it is so that you can measure your nail beds. That's nice. I like this. I like this a lot. And then I wanted to save this one for last. When I first saw this on her website, I wanted it so bad because I have dotting tools. I have a lot of dotting tools actually, and a whole bunch of different sizes. I haven't grabbed them real quick, show you which ones I have. And you know, I love aesthetics. I love anything aesthetics. And so these are the dotting tools that I already have. A bunch of different sizes, and these are not from Poochiez Nails. I got these on, I forgot how much these were, but I got these on Amazon. And when I saw Poochiez, I was like, wow, that's really cute. I really want that. I never got around to buying it, but I don't have to buy it now because I did buy it. Bought it in the mystery bag, but this is her dotting tool, and it looks like a fountain pen. It's not a fountain pen, but it looks like a little fountain pen. So cute. I'm very bougie. I really am, in a good way. Bougie in a good way. But I love anything that is aesthetically pleasing. And you hear that rattling? That's because all of the dotting tools are inside of the pen. So it's very compact. Let's take that off. And because there's quite a bit in here. Quite a bit. So they're all in there. And then you put this back on there. See all those sizes? Look at all the different sizes she has. Oops, sorry, I hit my tripod. Sorry, guys. I'm not filming this on my I'm not filming this on my camera, on my Nikon camera. I'm doing this on my phone because I originally wanted to do a reel, and I was like, there's no way I can do all of these in a reel because I like to talk, and I can't do a 60-second reel on this stuff. Miss Poochie really came through on her things. But yeah, we have all of the different sizes here. And what you want to do is, whenever you pick the size you want, see there's a little hole in there, you just take it and you put it in that hole. Oh, that not too far. You don't want to put too far down. Put it here in the little hole. I pushed it in too far. There you go. See? And it's like a little fountain pen. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then you do your little dotting. And I mean, you don't push hard on your nails anyways, but it's still like you can push down and it's not, there's no give to it. So it's gonna stay in place and you shake it, it's not gonna move. It's not going side to side. This is cute. I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Poochiez Nails / the Nail Art Boutique. I love every single thing in the mystery bag. And y'all, I'm sorry, but if you want to get one of these next year, then you're going to have to beat me to the punch, because I promise you, I am going to keep my eyes out for that email. And just like this year, as soon as the email comes through, I am jumping right on her website, thenailartboutique.com, unless she changes it to Poochiez Nails. But I am getting on that website and I am buying the mystery bag yet again. I did have a discount code for her for 10% off, and it was just a little trial run, so I don't think it's still active, but you can give it a try if you want to. I don't think it's active anymore, but it's the way I spell beautiful for beautiful rose is BYOUTFUL Rose, ROSE. So that will give you 10% discount if it's still active. I really don't think it is. I need to check, but I don't think it is. But just in case it is, you can try it. And even if it's not, I mean, y'all, her stuff is like gold to me. It's amazing. My heart is definitely there, and I 100% times infinity recommend and endorse. So yeah, run over there, give it a try, and I hope you like everything. If you like this video, this unboxing, unbagging, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all love, peace, happiness, health, and blessings. I love you all so, so much. Be creative, be inspired, just be you. All right? Love you all. Bye.